All right, well, it's now the next day. I decided to hold off on doing this part until today because after I realized how long the last part was, I figured I'd go ahead and render that out and get it online. It was over 20 minutes long. So I figured why not give it the chance for it to cure overnight and see if that helps out. One thing I hate about epoxies and glues is always rushing it, and then they never get the chance to actually bond and get the strength that they're supposed to. So what we're gonna do now is, where I told you in the last one that I could still feel where the holes are, I got this little razor blade right here, and then what I'm gonna do is cut the tape just in like a little X where those were and fold them inside to where I can still stick the bolts through, and then we'll attach it to the chair and see how it goes. All right, so here's one here, so I'm just gonna take and kind of cut it to where it'll fold in enough to be able to push the bolt in. That one worked. And then we're going to do the same thing with this one here. Just like in a little X type pattern. That should allow me to access the hole. I accessed that one a little too well. And then what we'll do is flip it over and do the same. These are a little bit easier to see because they have indentation areas. Alright, so the screws are actually going to come from this side. So I'm going to take the big Allen wrench key part and kind of get it to where I can get that whole head of the screw in there. Because once it falls in there, I don't need to be able to access it again. I mean, if this doesn't work, then I'm not going to like try anything further than what I've already done. As long as it can poke through the back, we should be fine. So we have both of our holes. Let's put it to the chair. Alright, so I think we're going to start with the back one first and allow it. Then we'll use the bottom part to line up to the holes. Yeah, that's looking good. Alright, that's snug. Let's do the second one. Put in the screws back in. It's actually really nice out today. It's pretty warm to be the middle of February. We haven't even had a winter this year, really. We've had a few mornings that it's been chilly, but it's been like in the 70s and 80s the last few weeks. About midday. Alright. So now, we'll lift it up, line it up here. So this is what I call crunch time. Let's go ahead and take this, pop it through where the hole's supposed to be. Beautiful, beautiful. Line it up. I'll start screwing her in. Yeah, you gotta get it to where the hole lines up there. I don't think I'm lined up perfect. There we are. I think that's going in now. I do believe that's going in now. Alright, I'm not going to over tighten that until I know that I've got this one lined up as well. So I'm going to push that in take the thing, try to pop it into the hole area. There we go. Y'all can listen to me breathe for a second. Let's see, does this line up? I guess it might have been simpler to put this part on first. Let's see, what am I getting wrong here? Oh, I might even pop out the other side with this one. There we go. That'll make it work better. Now I can line it up. That was the problem. I wasn't screwing into anything. Let's see. This still has some turning in it. Not over tightening anything. I'm just kind of making sure that it's snug. Well, that seems holding pretty well. It definitely holds the back of the chair back up like it should. It ain't gonna win any beauty contest, but if it works, it works. Alright, we'll get the tools together and we'll see how it does. Okay, so I'm able to put a little bit of pressure on it. It's definitely on there. I think they both have the same amount of wiggle now. I'm able to lean back. Whoa. Yeah. So, it seems to have, I think it might be, seems to be able to hold my weight. Whether it'll hold his weight, I don't know. But I would definitely say that that was a successful repair. And if I'm able to sit in it and lean back, I would have to say that it looks good. People probably wonder why I'm filming a chair. I'm sure. Alright, well, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there should be many more videos of me attempting to repair things in the worst possible fashion ever. But at any rate, we have a chair. If he doesn't want it back, I will definitely use it. It's actually pretty comfortable. We'll catch you in the next one. Later.